What is up, my people? It is January 14th, 2026, and we are getting into the next video. So today, we got NASDAQ. We had PPI news this morning at 8:30. I'm just gonna run through this real quick before I go to the gym. 8:30 news up here. These highs. Price starts rolling lower after 8:30. You can see that's 8:30. And that's PPI news. We have this fair rally gap right here. I'm thinking that see how this closes here and this opens here? You can use that as a volume imbalance. So I mark it all the way down here, and it looks like it makes more sense. Like there's consequent encroachment right here. That price just barely didn't go through, and something like that just doesn't look right. It doesn't make sense. So, and I've seen this more. I'm not just saying this off of one thing. Anyways, next thing. So price opens up at 9:30, and we're already below these lows. We come down, take out this internal low and these lows. Then price starts reacting immediately, goes higher, closes. This is first presented fair value gap. We get above it, come up, take out these relative equal highs. You can see with this yellow ray right here, come up, sweep this high, sweep these highs, relative equal highs. Same thing happened on ES as well. Come up into 8:30, first presented 8:30s fair value gap from PPI news. Never get above this high. Then we start rallying lower. So right now, I'm actually in a long position because I figured this fair value gap and this fair value gap would get held up because we just had a CISD here. But the thing is, we are bearish and we never really took out any, in my opinion, important sell side. I mean, right here, we already had taken out this important sell side. Then we come down and take out these intermediate lows. We still have all of these lows to be taken out. So I'm thinking, okay, so that's why I was wrong. But I thought, so since we had this, we had a 15-minute wick that was like a wick, like a rejection block basically. And I thought we were gonna continue higher. It doesn't end up happening. I get stopped out. Cool. I'm thinking, okay, should I really take another trade? Because I just lost just like that. But I'm sitting here, I'm like, dude, it's only 9:37 and I'm trading. So that might be one thing. I wrote down my little notepad here. Wait 10 minutes. Here, honestly, I'm gonna just show y'all this. First presented fair value gap, SNT, CISD, fair value gap entry, which is my model. And then I wrote two rules. Wait 10 minutes and then liquidity sweep. So that's why I lost today, is because I didn't have real liquidity sweep. So we did once we get above these highs, right? So we have internal to external. So I'm like, all right, this is literally turtle soup, internal to external. We come down, we invalidate this fair value gap, holding. Once we get it below it, we come back up into consequent encroachment. I enter again, and then take profit at this lower here. I took off a couple partials, so like 3 partials. Then we come lower. We came like here, and I just closed my position. Pretty happy with the trade, with that trade at least. Made back. I obviously made back my loss. I'm up $300 today on a new account. I wish I didn't take the first trade, of course. I'm just gonna be waiting 10 minutes now because it's less probable for anything too important to happen in the first 10 minutes, or anything that I could predict because it's the first 10 minutes. So obviously I should be waiting longer, and I think that's why I've been losing, because I haven't been waiting for price to show its cards, I guess. Paint the picture. That's really it. This is the daily wick quadrant levels. So you have the you can't see it. I was about to point at it, but just look how that white thing down there turns black because it's on the same line. So that liquidity is resting. The liquidity is the daily wicks low. So we have this one, which is 0, 0.25, 0.5. So price comes up, then 0.5 taps it as well as tapping 830's fair value gap, staying below 830's high, showing that we're bearish, comes back down, and then starts rallying. I didn't even look at regular trading hours. I would also like to see that. So there's another catalyst telling us that we are going to be bearish, is because we have over 100 point New Day opening or opening range gap. So I should have been looking at that as well. I bet actually I haven't been looking at this recently. Look at that. 0.25 and then we start rallying down lower. Coincidence? I think not. And that's it for today. I'm gonna go to the gym. That nigga said suck some dick. That was it. That was it. Yeah. Round of applause. Y'all have a great day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Deuces, niggas.